Ciao ragazzi, bentornati su Remotor. Today we will install bonnet dampers on my Mazda RX8. Let's see what is in the package. So we received two dampers. Nice grey color. Thanks to AliExpress to provide this. This video today is sponsored from AliExpress. You will find the link in the description of the item. Here we can see we have washer, nuts and bracket here. So let's move to the video. Yeah, of course. We also have inside the package instruction, 2 pages, very well presented. Enjoy the video. So in both the side you need to remove the 10mm nuts on the wings, on the fender, and the 12mm on the bonnet hinge, the top one. At the top you will put the black bracket. At the bottom, after you unscrew the bolts and keep safe, because this you won't use anymore, you will replace with the one in the package, maybe for future use. Just keep it in your garage or in your car. You will replace here with the washer with the smaller hole in the middle and tied up with a 10mm spanner. That's look nice. The same for the bracket at the top. You will use in this case the same bolt you removed, the original one. And now let's start to test fitting. I'm not sure which side they're going, but from the photo, going this way, like you see me in the photo, in the video, but I'm not really convinced. Then I think I will put upside down. Let's test how it closes. Seems nice. But let's start on the opposite side. We have this the part. Take this with the smaller washer and we place it in here. I repeat, this video is sponsored from AliExpress. Thank you for them to provide this item.
Original bolt, and you can register.
Once this done, I like to put this, you can unscrew, and this as well, but you need to be sure they are tied up, all of them, because I prefer to put this part because it looks nicer at the bottom and these at the top. You need to be sure this hole is at the bottom looking down, and the top one, it looks inside. You can put a spanner or something. Don't need to remove the clips. The clips how they are. You just push. It's going up very nice, it's closing perfectly, line they are good, as I just mentioned it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share and subscribe. this item is very good quality and is very easy to be assembled and put it on the car. Ciao ragazzi, see you in next video. Very good quality and well made.